Welcome back to Bike Review Hub. Today, we're diving deep into three of Harley-Davidson's biggest powerhouses of 2025. The Road Glide King Special, the Breakout 117, and the legendary Fat Boy 114. These bikes are bold, beautiful, and built to dominate in their own unique ways. Whether you're into long-distance cruising, straight-line muscle, or street presence, this lineup has something for every Harley rider. Let's break it all down. Number 1. Road Glide King Special, the Touring Titan. Design and styling. The 2025 Road Glide King Special screams authority. It's a bagger with attitude, defined by its iconic shark nose fairing, blacked-out finishes, and stretched saddlebags that give it that long, low, custom look. The two-tone paint options and chrome touches balance old-school charm with a modern edge. Performance and engine. Powered by the Milwaukee 8 117 V-twin, this bike churns out serious torque and highway power. It's built for distance and dominance. Smooth throttle response, refined suspension, and long-haul comfort. The 6-speed transmission keeps it composed, even when you open it up. Technology and features. You get Harley's Boom Box GTS infotainment system, Bluetooth, navigation, and cornering-enhanced rider safety features. New ride modes and traction control make this touring machine smarter and safer than ever. Riding feel. It's a heavy bike, but it handles with grace. Great wind protection, responsive brakes, and a plush ride. Whether you're eating up miles or just showing off, the Road Glide King Special is all about road presence and performance. Number 2. Breakout 117, the straight-line showstopper. Design and stance. The 2025 Breakout 117 brings classic chopper vibes with stretched lines, a wide rear tire, and a raked front end. It's dripping in chrome from the forks to the pipes. The new tank graphics, LED lighting, and deep paint options make it look like a custom build, straight from the showroom. Performance and engine. This one's all about raw power. The Milwaukee 8 117 engine puts out serious muscle, fast acceleration, and thundering torque. This is Harley's performance cruiser, designed to turn heads and burn rubber. Handling and ride. Low to the ground with forward controls, it feels aggressive yet surprisingly smooth. Great for city cruising or short weekend blasts. Not ideal for long-distance comfort, but if you want speed and style, this is your weapon. Tech additions. While not tech-heavy, it includes keyless ignition, ABS, and a minimal digital display. The 2025 model tightens up the throttle response and improves suspension feedback, giving a better, more planted ride. And number 3. Fat Boy 114, the icon reimagined. Legendary looks. The Fat Boy 114 is instantly recognizable. For 2025, it keeps the iconic solid disc wheels, fat tires, and muscular stance. Chrome lovers rejoice. This bike is loaded with shiny attitude. The low profile and wide bars still give it that unmistakable tough guy charm. Power and engine. Harley's Milwaukee 8 114 engine gives the Fat Boy plenty of grunt. You get a deep, satisfying rumble and loads of torque off the line. It's not quite as aggressive as the Breakout 117, but it's perfectly tuned for powerful cruising. Ride comfort and feel. This bike balances comfort with boldness. It's heavier but very stable, especially in straight-line riding. Great for city cruising, short trips, and turning heads at every corner. The Fat Boy isn't built for long tours, but it's built to own the road while you're on it. Tech and updates. Harley keeps the Fat Boy clean and classic. You get LED lighting and some modern safety updates, but it's still a raw riding experience. That's exactly what fans of the Fat Boy want. Which one's right for you? Comparing styles. The Road Glide King Special is for long-haul riders who want comfort, power, and top-tier tech. The Breakout 117 is the flashy muscle cruiser, perfect for street domination and style-first riding. The Fat Boy 114 is the classic Harley icon, powerful, bold, and unmistakable. It's a great mix of heritage and modern power. Pricing and value. All three come with premium price tags, but you get what you pay for. The Road Glide King Special is the priciest, given its tech and touring focus. The Breakout is mid-range, and the Fat Boy gives you serious presence for a bit less. Final thoughts: Harley's 2025 lineup is built to impress. Closing. So there you have it, 3 Harley-Davidson beasts, each with its own attitude. The 2025 lineup proves that Harley still knows how to blend performance, design, and soul like no one else. Which one would you choose, the long-haul Road Glide King, the fierce Breakout 117, or the iconic Fat Boy 114? Drop your pick in the comments below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more detailed motorcycle reviews, right here on Bike Review Hub. Ride safe, and we'll see you on the next one.